Phonics Lesson 75, Assessment 14. Section 1, let's spell some words. Pause the video as you need to. Number 1, spray, spray. S-p-r-a. Number 2, goodness, goodness. G-u-d-n-s, goodness. Number 3, helpless, helpless. H-l-p-less. Number 4, softly, softly. S-oft-ly. Number 5, sandbox, sandbox. S-and-b-ox. Section 2. Look at number 6 and 7. What sound do those make? And match them to the correct picture. R-ain, h-a. Rain, hey. Skip section 3. We are not doing coding today. Section 4. Read these words. Have a parent or guardian help you. If you get it right, put a check mark. If you were not able to read it, put an X. Then go ahead and turn your paper over. Look at the next section, number 17 and 18. Tell me the digraphs that these are. Go ahead and say digraph and the letters. If you get it right, put a check mark. Then tell me the sound they make. If you get that right, put another check mark. If you get either of those wrong, put an X for it. Do the same thing for number 18. This is called digraph. Go ahead and put check marks or X's, and then tell me the sound. For the last section, listen to me read, then we will answer the questions. The night was cool, and Jake and Dad went on a bike ride. Jake and Dad rode to the lake and sat by the dock. The fish jumped, and Jake tossed pebbles. Soon it was time to go back. It was a fun night with Dad. Number 19. What was the night like? If you don't know how to spell the word or don't remember the answer, go ahead and reread the paragraph. What was the night like? Number 20. Where did Jake and Dad go? To school? To Uncle Dave's? To the lake? And question 21. What did Jake do at the lake? Fished? Tossed pebbles? Swam? When you're finished, go ahead and submit your worksheet to your teacher.